Yeah, man. This is the Dagan Soro. Marachuga in the house. Kapuku Digit in the house. Wow.
This is the joyride with the rainbow goddess, the rainbow goddess.
This is the joyride with the rainbow goddess, the rainbow goddess.
Hi there, and welcome to Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess. I'm Itzel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Okonomoyaki, Rainbow Goddess style. Okonomoyaki is a Japanese vegetable pancake. It is sweet, savory, spicy, sour. They are the perfect end of the week meal to make because I can make them with all my leftover veggies. Ready to get started? Let's head to the kitchen. Okay, so we're gonna start with 4 cups of shredded vegetables. Now, okonomiyaki usually always has cabbage in it, and usually green cabbage, but I have purple cabbage. So I did a little bit of cabbage, carrots, I had a bit of celery and mushrooms. But whatever veggies you have are good, just go ahead and shred them. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sulfuric black salt. It's called Kala Namak black salt. This is usually found in Indian stores or just like different ethnic groceries. You can also find it online. And what it is it's a salt that has an egg taste. Once you have your salt in there, I want you to massage the salt into the veggies so that the veggies will release their juices. Now, if you are using this salt, you will be able to smell it. It does have a very strong egg smell. Okay, now that my veggies are starting to get nice and soft and juicy, I'm gonna set them aside. Now I am going to add half a cup of sweet soy glaze, which is a recipe that I shared last week. I will put a link in the description below to this recipe. Add a 1/4 cup of oil. I really like to use peanut oil in this, but I don't have it this time, so I did 3 tablespoons of avocado oil and 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. But you can also use coconut oil or whatever you have in hand. The whole thing about this recipe and doing that, it's just inspired by okonomiyaki, but really it's about making it your own with what you have. So you're gonna start by heating up a non-stick skillet. Put a little bit of oil in it. Make sure to spread that oil around. And once your pan is hot, you can splash a little water. If it splashes like that, it means it's ready. And I would turn the heat down between medium and low, depending on how high your flame is. Then I like to use a little cookie scoop, and when I put it in there, I tuck in the little, all the shreds that like to stick out. I pop it down, I spread it out, and try to smooth it out on top. And then I also do a little bit more tucking of any little excess that's sticking out. And then I'm going to put a lid on it and leave it there for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Okay, it's been about 1.5 minutes. I'm gonna check if it's ready to flip. Beautiful. I'm just gonna swirl the oil around so that it gets all parts of it. I'm going to press it down a little bit, and I'm going to cover it again and leave it on for another 1.5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 1.5 minutes, and it is ready. And I'm going to bring it over to my paper towels so that they absorb the excess oil. And now that my okonomiyaki is ready, I'm going to put this delicious sweet soy glaze. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna drizzle on some of my homemade sriracha mayo. And I'm going to put some pickled ginger. And I would normally do green onions with it, but I don't have any. As I said, it's the end of the week for me, so I kind of just did it with whatever veggies I have. So I'm gonna put some cilantro that I stole from my roommate, just to give it a little pop of green and freshness. And then I'm going to sprinkle on some white sesame seeds and some black sesame seeds. Moment of truth. So here I have my homemade okonomoyaki, sriracha mayo, and sweet soy glaze, and you can find all 3 recipes in my description below. And it's still very fresh. Like, the amount that the veggies are cooked in the pancake still leaves the veggies with a little bit of a crunch, which I like, because that means that I got some nutritional value left.
Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. And also, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, I would love to hear from you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I put up a new video every single Monday, and I would love to see you back here. So please subscribe! And also, if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a healthy, happy life. Yeah!